Ever wondered how businesses efficiently track the cost of items they build from various components? Let's dive into creating assembly items in Peachtree, now known as Sage 50, so you can accurately manage your manufacturing and inventory. First, navigate to the Inventory and Services Navigation Center. Click on Inventory Items and then select New to create a new inventory item record. In the Item ID field, enter a unique identifier for your assembled item, for example, assembled car, then add a description that accurately reflects what the item is, like toy car assembly. Crucially, select assembly from the item class drop-down menu. This tells Peachtree that this item is built from other items. Now, click on the Bill of Materials tab. Here's where you define which components make up the finished product. Click into the Item ID column and find the component you want to add, inputting the item ID. Then specify the quantity of that component needed to create one finished assembly item. Repeat this process for all the components. Head over to the Pricing tab and set the selling price for your newly assembled product. This price should take into account the cost of your components, plus any profit margin. Finally, click Save to finalize your assembled item setup. Peachtree will now track the components as they are used for assembly. This will give you much better reporting and a real idea of your costs.